my petit ami, mon petit ami, my little friend. I'm French. Moi, j'adore speak about French fries and French toast.
Yeah. French fries. French fries. French fries. I'm down
In
for
French, they're called pommes frites.
Really?
Yeah, pomme is potato and frite means fried.
Oh.
It's a lot less glamorous than you would think.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll just do some good old French fries.
Some American fries.
Yeah.
Some freedom fries. That's what it was.
Yeah. Oh my
Freedom
goodness.
fries.
Okay, so, I guess we're rolling, aren't we?
Are we? Are we filming?
I think we're filming.
Well,
Are we?
all right. Hello.
Oh, yeah. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so, yeah, because the red light's on, look. I can barely see it.
I got a story for after that about a red light.
Oh.
It's a story about a very naive girl, a man, and a camera. That's all I'm going to say.
Oh, no.
He said the red light means that it's not recording.
Oh. Okay, well, we're just going to move on along here. Okay.
It wasn't me. I wasn't the girl.
Yeah. Okay. I'm glad we got that straight.
Oh, yeah.
We're not the girls.
We're not the girls. We knew the red light meant on.
Exactly. Exactly. We know exactly what the red light means.
We sure do.
Yes, we do. So, anyway, hi.
Hello.
If you've never been here before, hi, my name is Jeannie, and this is Unfiltered 50s, and I am with one of my dear BFFs, Rhonda over from Rhonda Said, and
I'm over 52. Actually, I am 52.
Yeah, so we get together quite a bit because we live very close to each other, and if you can't tell, because we're in the same room.
That's right. There's no magical photoshopping here.
Yeah, we're not photoshopping it. So anyway, yeah, if you haven't ever met Rhonda, please do go over and check her channel out. Again, it is Rhonda Said. It'll be linked in the description box down below. So please do subscribe. Subscribe to her channel, subscribe to my channel, and help a sister out. Help your local YouTubers out by subscribing. Do something nice for somebody today. And on our channels, we both do unboxings. We both do basically a lot of the same things. We like a lot of the same makeups. We do makeup looks. We do get ready with me's, and we are going to be having something so exciting for this year.
So exciting.
2020 has been, shall we say, a horrible bitch of a year. And so in 2021, we are going to be kicking off something new on our channels. And I have asked Rhonda to, and she just gracefully accepted. I'm so excited about this new partnership between us. We are going to be partnering up together to do something exciting. I don't know if you know this about my good friend, but Rhonda was a previous DJ. And I have a deep love for music. And so together we are going to be partnering up, and it is going to run one week on Rhonda's channel, 1 week on my channel, and it'll just run like that, vice versa, off alternating. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And so we are going to have this new series, and it is going to be called Beauties and the Beat. And so we are so excited to do this. We are going to be doing makeup and stories about music that we love, artists that we love, and bringing to you some interesting history about the artists that maybe you may not know, some interesting music and artists that maybe you don't know. So we are very excited about this, and Rhonda's just like the perfect person.
I've been to over 300 rock and roll concerts in my life. I've toured with bands that were like regional. My whole life has been about music, for music, by music, and to quote Frank Zappa, music is the best.
Yeah, I'm just thrilled that she was interested in doing this, and
I'm so honored that you asked because it's so perfect and cool.
Well, it's just going to be like the perfect thing, I think, for both of us, because we both share this, and I cannot think of anyone more perfect for as far as just a friend. A co-collaborator.
And we love to tell stories.
Yes, I think that's one of the biggest things is that we both love to tell stories on our channels. And Rhonda is a great storyteller, but her love for music is so intense, and the type of music that she loves is a little different, a little bit. She just brings something different to the table. She's so complimentary to me, and to just make it such a well-rounded partnership. I'm so excited about this.
I am just as excited, and the cool thing is, like, I'm into certain music, she's into certain music. Sometimes they cross. Like, there's going to be crossovers where it's going to be like a 2-part series, and we both do different perspectives on the same band. You know, like a band like the Rolling Stones. Like, you can't just do one video about the Rolling Stones because they're so epic and like 60 years of music, and you know, so like things like that. We'll do like collaborative collaborations.
Yes, and because we live so close together, then you may see some of the videos where we are here doing them together,
yes.
Where we film together, and so that is just, we're just excited that we have that opportunity, that we live so close to where we can do this, and we're just excited to bring something new and fun to not only my channel, but to her channel.
And to YouTube in general.
Yeah, and to all of you guys out there. A lot of my followers and my friends on my channel are also the same exact guys that and gals that follow Rhonda on her channel. So we share the same friends, and it's just a perfect YouTube marriage. And so
it is. It's very exciting, and I can't wait to see what we do. We're making plans, we're plotting the future, and we are so excited, and we hope that you are excited to hear about music in a way that you maybe not have heard, or like music fashion and music makeup, because there's a lot of bands that were into makeup.
Yeah, oh my goodness, and we're 80s children.
We certainly are.
We're big hair band children, so yes, we are so excited about this. So please do, help us kick that off, like, subscribe, and be sure and turn your notifications on and set them to all for both my channel and Rhonda's channel, so that you don't miss an episode. We are going to be kicking this off. We are going to launch these videos for Fridays at 7:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be looking for that. We are so excited to bring that to you, and we cannot wait to kick that off.
And this is a passion project because we're both so passionate about it, and I think you guys, it's going to catch on. I think you guys are going to catch on like wildfire.
Yeah, we are just really, really hoping for just some wonderful, wonderful responses from that. If there are certain bands that you would love to see, if there's certain content that you would love to see, we would love to hear from you. We would take any suggestions for this new endeavor to heart, so leave any comments that you have. We love hearing from you guys.
We love it so much it hurts.
Pinch. Oh my goodness, yes. So let us know what type of content that you would like to see first, and we will start with that. And we just look forward to kicking off the new year and making it better in 2021 than 2020. So again, don't forget, hop over to Rhonda's channel, like, subscribe, and set the notifications to all. And again, right down in the description box, you will find a link to her channel. Also, she'll be as a bobblehead at the end of this little video clip and up in the iCards. And don't forget, go ahead and subscribe and set your notifications to all for my channel. And we will see you in the new year with this new series.
Gonna rock.
Yeah, much love, guys. Mwah, smooches, and we'll see you in the new year. Bye, guys.
Bye.